Fish farmers around the Ikangba-Agoro Road, Ijebu Ode in Odogbolu local government area of Ogun State have lamented the poor state of the road in their communities. The residents of the communities had in the past sought for the intervention of Governor Odogbolu and other relevant agencies on the road, which has now become a nightmare for users. According to their coordinators, one of the farmers, Amos Oyemachi, was brutally murdered on the road while his newly bought tricycle was taken away.
Killing of Amos Oyemachi, police authority must ensure the perpetrators are apprehended and brought to justice without delay. This is one death too many, as Agoro Okunwa Aziz of the old Lagos-Benin Road has become a den of criminals, murdering commuters and other road users passing the route. We call on well-meaning citizens, TUC, NSC, and civil society organizations to prevail on Ogun State and federal governments to fix the road immediately and make it safe for all. We call on the police to ensure that the long arms of justice catch up with them.
We are here to seek justice for the death of this young man. And at the same time also, to also call on the government on how to secure we that are remaining, because the security of lives and property is a key to any survival of any nation. We can't just put our hand to see our people being murdered, because this is not the first one. That is why we decided that we cannot just keep quiet.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.